Hi, today I'm going to show you in Lightbox how to do the levels. So I haven't uploaded it. I don't fully know how to do it. Sorry about the sound. Okay. So I'm gonna show how to do all of them. The first one, pretty much anybody can do. Okay, and that's sorry for a little shortage. So the first one's this. Yeah, it gives you 10 also. It's really easy. Yeah, so that's the code. And for this one, so you go jump, turn, jump, turn, jump, light bulb, and yeah. And this one's a really easy one, it's just 1, 2, turn, jump, 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 light bulb. Okay, and this one, light bulb, jump, forward, turn, forward, light bulb. Jump, turn, forward, forward, light bulb, I think. Yeah. The next one is jump, turn, forward, jump, light bulb, turn, forward, forward, turn, jump, forward, light bulb. It uses up all of the room, but you can still complete it. For this one, it's forward, turn, jump, jump. Wait, and I forgot. Light bulb, jump, light bulb. Let me just test that. Yeah. Turn, jump, light bulb. Turn, jump, light bulb. And just wait a second. Yeah, just at that level. And for this one, it's jump, jump, turn forward, turn, jump, turn, light bulb, forward, light bulb, jump, light bulb. Okay, hand. Yeah, that's it. That's good. Did slightly wrong. And then it has this one. Yeah. So this one is easy. Just going to put 1, 2, 3, light bulb, turn. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I always get that turn wrong. This one is very easy in Hook 1. Here it is. Forward, turn, forward, turn, light bulb. I want to do that a million times. Oh, yeah. It does the job. Doesn't have to be that many times. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, light bulb, turn. Turn. We just plan how this is going to go. Yeah, okay. Light bulb, turn. P1. Turn. Jump. Turn. P1. Turn. Jump. Turn. P1. Yeah. So that's how you do it. And then this is the last one. I've heard that most people get stuck on this level, except I've done. I've done this level just about 100 times. So you start off by going. Then just a simple P1 does all of that. So you can go turn, forward, forward, turn, P1. Which you're just going to do it today, where you want to go turn, forward, forward, turn, P1, and you don't have one space left. I always get that turn wrong. Okay, finally. So this is the code. And then this one is also really hard one. The bounces. Light bulb, jump. Light bulb, jump. Light bulb, jump, I think. Wait. No, you want to do that in P1. So it's light bulb, jump, light bulb, jump, light bulb. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, jump, light bulb, P2, turn, turn, 1, 2, 3, turn. And then you can go forward, forward. And then just a simple P1 does. Wait, what? try that. What? I don't get it. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3. I don't know what to do. Sorry about that. Yeah, I just had a little stop for breakfast. So, I did a little change on it. Now I was doing light bulbs instead of jumps. So, okay. So it seems like I know that one needs to go there. Okay. Turn forward P1. Turn forward P1. Let's test this. Okay. Yep, did it. So that was the code. And this one I can't do. I probably actually could, except yes, I'm up to the loops. This one is simple. So it's P1, and this is forward light bulb P1, and it does this. And in this one, it's and yeah, it does it. And this one is also really easy. It's forward light bulb turn, forward jump, light bulb jump P1. And yeah, let me just have another small break. So, sorry for all the interruptions. So, yeah, P1, and it's light bulb forward turn, forward turn P1. And this one is another really simple one. P1. It's jump, light bulb, forward, light bulb, forward, light bulb, jump, turn. Light bulb P1. Let me just test this. Yeah, that's how you do it. And this one I can't figure out how to do. So yeah, thanks to Code for making all these super cool games, including Lightbox. Please like and subscribe. Bye.